Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Hyundai Elantra. First, gather your essential supplies. New oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure your engine is warm but not too hot to help the old oil drain easily. Always park your car on a flat, level surface and set the parking brake for safety. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift your Elantra using a jack and jack stands, or drive it onto ramps. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the lowest point of the oil pan. Position your drain pan, then carefully loosen and remove the plug. Let all the old oil drain out completely into the pan.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY tips. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, especially when working on your car. The Oala water bottle keeps your drinks perfectly cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and find other helpful deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it, being ready for any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then turn it an additional 1/4 turn. Once all the old oil has drained, reinsert the drain plug, tightening it firmly but not excessively. Now, find your engine's oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Using a funnel, carefully pour in the correct type and amount of new oil for your Elantra. Check your owner's manual for the exact specifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.